Hello everyone and welcome to the lesson Longitudes and Latitudes Kcse 2014 paper 2 question number 13. The shortest distance between 2 points A 40 degrees north 20 degrees west and B x degrees south 20 degrees west on the surface of the earth is 8008 kilometers. Given the radius of the earth is 6370 kilometers, determine the position of B. Take pi to be 22/7. So I have sketched the positions of A and B. So A is lying on latitude 40 degrees north, longitude 20 degrees west, and B, we don't know where it lies, that is in terms of the latitude, so x degrees south, but they're lying on the same longitude. Now, the first thing you're supposed to do is to identify that distance, that this is a distance, the distance AB. This first thing to identify, this one is distance along the longitude, and that is distance along the great circle. Distance along the great circle, that is distance along the great circle, distance AB. Any distance along the longitude is distance along the great circle. Now after getting that, the next thing that we need to note is that this distance is given in kilometers. So how do we get the distance along the great circle in kilometers? Very easy. So this distance AB, which is 8008, will be given by, you can see they are lying on the same longitude but on different latitudes. So we shall get the latitude difference divided by 360, then multiply by 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the earth. So this is how we get the distance along the great circle. Now the next thing we're going to do is just to substitute the figures that we have. So we have the distance, which is AB, which is 8008, is equals to, now for the latitude difference we shall add. For the latitude difference we shall add, we take the latitude of A, since they are lying on opposite sides, one is to the north, that is 40 degrees, and then for B, since we don't know the latitude of B, we shall add it as theta. So that is the latitude difference divided by 360, then multiply by 2 by pi, which is 22/7, multiply by the radius of the earth, which is 6370. So that is how we're supposed to do it. Now what we'll be looking for is the unknown, which is the theta. Now to do this, very quick, we want to make theta the subject of the formula. And to simplify everything here, you'll get, first you have to multiply both sides by 360, multiply by 7. So 360 to get rid of this denominator that is here, that is 360 and 7. So multiply both sides by 360, multiply by 7. So the left hand side you multiply by that, so that you remain with 40 plus theta, then multiply by 2 times 22/7, not 7, we have already got rid of that, so 22 will just be alone, times 6370. So I've got rid of these by multiplying both sides by 360 multiplied by 7. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to divide everything by 2 times 22/7. So I'll divide this side, the whole of this side, by 2 times 22 times 6370. Then again this side, 2 times 22 times 6370. Now when you do that, you will be left with 40 plus theta that side. Then for this side you have 360 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8008, everything divided by 2 times 22 will give 44 times 6370. Now you can see we are making it to be easier, so let me use the calculator and work out the left hand side of the question. So this is 360 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8008, then everything divided by 44 multiplied by 6370. So this will give the left hand side will give 72. is equals to 40 plus theta. So now we can have theta by subtracting 40 on both sides. So this will be 72 minus 40, and therefore this theta will be 32 degrees. So that is now the latitude where B lies. So this latitude now will be 32 degrees to the south. So after getting that, now you can answer the question, the position of B. So you give the position of B and you give the position of B in latitude and longitude. So B lies on 32 degrees south, and the same longitude, as you can see, this is 20 degrees west. So that is simply how we're supposed to solve that question. Thank you.